Hey everyone, Ryan here at etrailer. Today we're going to be checking out the CURT Safety Cable for base plates. And today I have a perfect example on where this would be used. So I'm setting up this Jeep to be flat towed and got a CURT base plate. And a lot of the CURT base plates are going to come included with these cables. And the whole reason for them is that they're going to connect to your base plate, wrap around the frame of your vehicle, and that way, in the event of an unlikely disconnect, if you have any failure here, the cables are going to help keep everything connected together still. Now with that said, these are going to be sold as a quantity of one. So you get the cable and the hook here to connect everything together. So this would be a good part if you maybe lost one of your cables or got damaged in some way, or a lot of times too, not every single base plate out there, even other manufacturers are going to come with something like this. So that's a scenario where you could use these cables to give you that that confidence and that connection point in case something does happen. Something that we do see occasionally, a lot of times, particularly on Jeeps with aftermarket front bumpers and whatnot, the bumpers will just have an attachment point where you can connect your tow bar directly to, and that bumper usually doesn't have an opening on it where you can connect your tow bar's actual safety cables to it. And so what a lot of people do is use something like this. They'll put it around the frame, and then up where the tow bar connects, kind of have these mounted up like that. That way you can take your tow bar safety cables, clip it right to here, and give you that connection that you need. Now with that in mind, if you are looking for the cables that actually connect to your motorhome's hitch to the front of your towed vehicle, there's a ton of different options that we carry here at etrailer that you can pick from. So keep in mind, these are just designed to, more or less connect your base plate to the frame as that backup, or that scenario we just talked about with a lot of those Jeeps. But that said, these are going to be 36 inches in length, and they're going to have a maximum capacity of 7,500 pounds. If you need more capacity than that, Blue Ox actually makes a set very similar to these that I believe are 10,000 pound capacity, so you could always check those out. And as far as the construction quality of these, they're nice thick cables, and they have this really tough coating on them, which, depending on your situation, if you're worried about these getting scratched up or scratching up your vehicle, it's probably something you're not going to have to worry about. I really feel like it'd take a lot for this material to rub thin and expose the actual metal underneath of it. A quick tech tip as well, something that I like to do when installing these is once I have them all connected together, I like to use a couple of zip ties and kind of cinch everything up tight. That way that these are solid, and you're not going to hear them rattling or clanking around whenever you're driving down the road. So just a trick that I thought I'd share with you. But aside from that, not really a whole lot to these, and that'll finish up our look at of the CURT safety cables for base plates.